I'm doing the clap. Just say when.
Whenever you are ready, go for it, sir.
Grace is very fortunate to have a site in South Haven, Michigan. We're only located about 600 meters from Lake Michigan. And then we're very nicely located near major universities, Michigan State, University of Michigan, Notre Dame, Purdue, right on the shores of Lake Michigan. So when it comes to attracting talent and quality of life, West Michigan provides a very, very high standard of living. And so we can compete against a lot of the coastal companies that are trying to attract the same top talent.
Lake Michigan has a natural sand dunes. There's epic beaches and epic hikes. Anyone who loves nature, the outdoors, is going to love coming to Michigan.
It doesn't look like a place where you would have a chemical facility.
I'm Daniel Carr. I'm the Senior Technical Engineering Manager and the Environmental Manager here for the South Haven plant. Our manufacturing plant here is comprised of about 60,000 gallons of reactor capacity from our pilot plant to our commercial plant where we're sitting right now. So we have 6 Heinkel inverting basket centrifuges. We have a small basket centrifuge in our pilot plant, agitated filter dryers, Nooch filter dryers. Our plant operates 24 hours a day, 365 days a year. We have 3 main manufacturing areas of the plant, Plant 1 East, Plant 1 West, Plant 2. That's how we divide it up. We've been very intentional about making those reactors as scalable as possible. When you move from a 50-gallon reactor through our intermediate scales, 1,000, 2,000 gallon up to our 4,000 gallon, we like to make those reactors as similar to each other as possible. That makes the technical transfer from our small scale into commercial scale that much more seamless.
I'm Jim Springer. I'm the Director of R&D here at South Haven Grace FCS. One of the things that we're very proud of is bringing our customers in so we can all work together. We appreciate how critical it is for the success of that molecule. It's essentially their baby. This is their whole company riding on the success of this molecule.
I'm Melissa Spies, and I'm the QA supervisor. We're proud to say that any regulatory authority could come in here unannounced and we'd be ready. Quality assurance is independent of plant operations, which allows us to give an unbiased oversight. We make some of the most advanced ingredients in the world, which requires vigorous compliance.
One of the things that we really focus on during process development is what we call process understanding. And there's actually an FDA guidance on this. And it's an expectation that as you're developing the process in the laboratory and scaling it up, you have an understanding of how the process is controlled. When we scale up, there's no surprises. And that's an expectation. When you come to Grace with your small molecule, you're going to get a team of expert chemists who are going to be able to develop a process that is robust and scales successfully. You're going to get a team of problem solvers that really look for the solution and work with you and are very transparent. So not only do you want a process that delivers the molecule in its purity, but you also want to make sure that the process you're putting into the plant is safe.
It's a chemical manufacturing plant. Everything we touch, from water to a flammable solvent, has some sort of safety hazard with it. If we can't do it safe, we're not going to do it. Our employees are empowered with their stop work authority to stop anytime they don't understand or if they feel that an instruction that's been given to them puts them or anyone around them in harm's way. As you're walking around, there's going to be labeling on pipes, labeling on tanks. Safety is the most important thing we do here every day. It is embedded in our culture.
The other side, of course, is quality. We are an FDA registered site. There's an expectation that we follow the CGMP guidelines. And so we work very closely with our quality group.
QC Lab runs 24/7, the same as operations. We have quality specialists who are on each project team and ensure that quality is maintained throughout all aspects of the process. Without quality, it's not going out the door.
And so these small laboratories come to South Haven and they meet our team and they meet our chemists and they know that, well, this team can do this. We're going to cure this disease.